Jonathan here with Central Sound. Here I'm going to show you how to replace the headband pad cushion on your Sony XB910N headphones. Here we have our replacement headband pad. You can order the kit down below through the link. And first thing you would need to do is unscrew the screws from the bracket, which we do have the tool included with the kit. Now there will be 4 screws that need to be removed, 2 screws on each side. So once those screws are removed, make sure to hold on to them, put them in a safe place to make sure you don't lose them. You will need the screws to install the replacement headband pad. Next step would be to remove the old headband pad, and you can use scissors or a sharp knife or blade to cut through the old headband pad material. Be very careful not to cut the wires inside. Once the old headband pad material is removed, we're going to take the new headband pad and separate the material that is Velcroed together. You want to separate them and then unwrap it. First start with the underside of the headband and then wrap it around. And the foam portion should be on the bottom. Once you do have it in place, there is some adhesive here on the top side and underside. First, remove the backing from the top side and tuck that tab underneath the plastic bracket. And on the underside, remove the backing and you just want to secure that tab in place so it doesn't move around. Next step is to install the bracket, and it's the same bracket that was removed. You're going to reuse that as well as the screws. Once both brackets are installed with the 4 screws, then the process is done. And we have the replacement headband pad cushion kit as well as ear pad cushion kits for this model, and also slider cover pieces that also break on this model as well. We have parts for this model and several other Sony models at centralsound.co.